Hello, Mom Jade. I'm here to teach you how to transfer this file in PDF, the list of your students, to an Excel file. So first you have to open this class lists, then open a browser and go to the PDF excelonline.com. And the name of this is Nitro. This will surely save your day and especially your time in copying your students' names from PDF to Excel. So this is the shortcut actually. What will you do is to select the file and then select that, then you choose one of these files. For me, I'll be choosing the PBED 1B students class lists. Then click and click open, and you're required to key in your email address. For me, it's sjlabis@wvsu.edu.ph, and then convert. Just click convert now. Then you have to wait while it is converting. I think like 3 to 10 seconds. Then after that, you will be receiving a notification. Oops, there you go. That's easy and fast. It saves a lot of time actually. So it is a success. BPED 1B class list has been sent for conversion. And next, you have to check your email address, and it's there. Click download, and it's downloading, and let's just open that. Done! We have the Excel file. That saves a lot of time, Jade. Thank you for watching.